name is Mike, I'm a hiker. Today we're at San Jacinto Mountains.
Hi guys, is it Helen back there? Morning. Video. Good morning guys, I am back. It's been a minute since I made a hiking vlog, but super excited for today. We are in Palm Springs and we are taking the tramway to the top and we'll be hiking up to the peak. Hopefully make it to the peak depending on the weather conditions, so stay tuned. But we got here early, right? Good morning. Morning. Oh wow. Oh, we're a group, so.
Yeah, he's taking a group.
Here's the boarding room. Waiting area. There it is. Alright guys, here we go. Gonna go inside the tram. Put my bag down.
The windows are open.
I'm gonna stay right here for right now.
The windows open. Oh.
Appreciate it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Palm Springs Area Tramway. A little chilly on the mountain today, 36 degrees. We'll be passing over 5 towers of each tower. We're going to swing slightly back and forth, so please watch your balance. I'll start the floor rotation. Only the floor will move, not the handrails along the side, the center where I'm standing. In approximately 10 minutes, we have it at the mountain station. If you have a large bag or backpack, please remove it and put it on the floor by your feet for the convenience of others. Thank you. Enjoy.
Alright guys, so the cool thing about the tram, it actually rotates 360. So you gotta keep your backpack with you or else it'll end up somewhere else. Excited, Christy?
Alright,
Yeah,
ready.
There we go. I see some snow.
We'll travel over 5 towers.
I like when we go over these.
It's like a roller coaster.
The one that's crazy is, I think, the third one.
Oh my god.
Little falls down there.
Yeah, I know.
They weigh just under 9,000 foot. With each of these tracks, 13,000.
Okay, just reaction.
Hold your arm back. What was that? Started reading.
Yeah.
We are nearing the end of our journey now. Within the state park wilderness for more than 54 miles. Summer hiking trails and in winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunity. This is
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the mountain station 8,516. Please watch your balance as we go into dock. We may tap the sides here. Here we go directly inside the
I want to block the sign.
days. As it gets windy out there,
You make sure that we maintain good visual contact among everyone in the group. I don't want to get strung out.
Okay.
People yelling in the strong wind probably won't hear you. Don't forget, a lot of us have these little clips. It's got a whistle. So you get out there, you got a whistle.
I've got a whistle on me
Yeah,
too.
so if you have a whistle on you,
Yeah, I got an extra whistle in my back pocket.
so
The backpack.
it's just, we'll stay tight, stay together.
Copy that.
Surprisingly, I'm very warm. What's it, 30? It's 35 degrees, or 20, it's supposed to be 25 degrees today, but with a negative, no, a 1 degree due to wind chill or something.
Yeah. Morning. Spikes on. There you go, Bob.
Go have some fun, man.
Are we at 8,000 feet already?
8,400.
8,400. All right. Going to the peak. 6 miles out. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Get on video. There you go. And yeah, most stuff I just like, you know what? If it's like a very expensive item, I'll take it with
You
me.
have to go down backwards. Face the mountain. Like you're going down the ladder.
Should I?
Alrighty. Alright.
We retrace our track back down this way, or kind of complete the Round Valley Loop over the Willow Creek Trail and take Willow Creek back over to the ranger station.
There we go. Alrighty. Hey John, is this what you're talking about? Oh, that's something different.
No, that's different. That's just
Someone just
postal only.
post on. Crazy. Oh, that's so awesome. It's snowing, right? Beautiful. Look at that. It's amazing.
Smile, you're on film. John, you're on camera.
On camera. It's gonna go on ABC7.
Yeah. How you doing, John?
Tired, but all right.
Yeah.
So workout for sure.
Let us know if you want to go back.
So it's not just me.
All right, so we're getting some snow. As you can see, the trail's pretty soft.
Here it comes.
Oh my God. Anybody need some ice? Wow, it's hard. It's super hard.
That way to go into here, or this way over here to keep pressing on towards Wellman. I think the ranger station peel off is right over here, so let's keep an eye out for that. But we want to stay left.
So we're currently on Wellman's Divide.
Yeah,
Not yet.
we're on
Yeah.
Round Valley Loop.
Round Valley Loop.
I'm sorry. I think this is a Round Valley Trail. The Loop Trail continues
Gotcha.
back that way at that sign plaza.
All right, guys, first hike of the year in the snow. There's John behind me. We're heading to Wellman's Divide, and never easy. Elevation gain always gets my lungs going. There's Mariki. Awesome.
Doing the Wellman Divide.
Good job.
It's snowing!
Yeah.
Yay!
Yes, ma'am. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Awesome,
Love
awesome.
the snow.
There you go. Good job, Helen. You got this. Keep it up. We're almost there, Bob. Hey, Peggy.
Hey!
How you feeling?
I'm feeling blessed.
Awesome, awesome. Alright guys, we are almost there. It's just a little bit more difficult when we're traversing ice. It's hard to tell where the trail is, so we're basically breaking trail at this point. But I think we should be really close to Wellman's Divide.
Okay, so this is just the photo.
Alrighty, we are at the junction. There's Miss Christy over here.
Yeah.
Looking all cute. Beautiful.
Alright, good job everybody. Yay!
Right.
And at the same time, they introduced any new and improved methods, so to speak.
Okay.
And then we also learned no. So say we got the wellness, we can go on.
No, that's exactly what we did. Okay, decline should know better. I can't get my gloves back on because the liner.
Need help? Here.
Big problem when you spend $75 on a
glove, yeah.
in the snow. That's a big problem. Okay. So which way do they go? Where's my? Do I have to stay on this way?
There's usually a
Is that the back? That's the back or the
this is
front?
the toe.
That's the what?
Toe.
Alright, so Kirsty's gonna make some hot chocolate.
All right.
Can't wait.
A little bit here.
Yep. So So right now we're at Hidden Valley, near the campgrounds. Taking a little break. And Chrissy has her stove here. Brought my little Yeti cup. And yeah, this is gonna warm us up a little bit.
John, you guys have water? Because I've got...
No, I didn't.
Okay, I've
Not
got
extra water.
over here. Hang on. I got...
Okay.
Take a first step.
What a trip.
Guys, first time on snowshoes. Yes.
Wow, it's so much easier. There's Bob making some hot chocolate for everybody. Thank you, Bob. Christy.
Amazing. So good.
Cheers.
Cheers. What a treat. My goodness.
You want chocolate? Right here.
Mmm. All right, guys, we're gonna head back down to the tram.
There you go, Bob.
Beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little bit of snow angels over here. That's all.
Oh, sorry.
Here you go, Bob. Oh. Go for it. Ready, go. Nice.
Catch the snow on your tongue, too.
Let's take a look, guys. All right, let's look at John's. Oh, pretty good. There's Christie's right there. Who's that one? Is that you, Peggy?
That's me.
Oh, nice.
What's going to happen, they're going to catch it and you cartwheel this way. So you got to push up with your knees right there.
Push, push.
Put your feet up a little bit.
Pick your feet up. There you go.
There you go, nice. All right, we got the whole gang. Who's gonna count it off? Bob, go ahead. Nah. Alrighty, we made it. Yeah, fun day. Oh, there's that's the ranger station, right?
Yeah.
We got lost a couple times, but Bob saved the day. And John, of course, is GPS. Oh wow! This is where you come up from Cactus to Clouds.
Yeah.
Well, here it is, guys. Here's the view. So if you guys are hiking from the bottom of the museum up here to Cactus to Clouds, we'll come up here and then meet up at the ranger station. You can't see anything right now because it's so snowy, but that's the trail right there. Cheers. Alright guys, hopefully you guys liked that video. Thank you again to Christy and John for keeping us safe, and Bob over there. If you can see it. But
Wintry day.
yeah, it is pouring down right now. It kind of hurts in the face actually. But again, thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys on the next one. Peace.